Mga kapuso, kada ulihi nga semana sa Abril tubtob una nga semana sang Mayo, ginisaulog ang Foundation Day kon anibersaryo sa pagtukod sang banwa sa Oton nga ginatawag sadto nga Katagman. Katagman Festival gani ang tawag sa sini nga kahiwatan kung sa din ginapasundayag pinaagi sa cultural presentation sang kasaysayan sang banwa. Ang good news subong nga aga kapuso amo nga ang sadto festival lang ginhimo na nga short film. Sa bulig syempre sa Ilonggo award-winning director nga si Ramon Teñoso ang kaundan sang Katagman lantawon binaton tanan.
Mga kapuso, ang bisita ta subong nga aga isa ka multi-awarded international film director and a British-Filipino playwright who has written 30 plays all produced in London. Siya man ang founder sang Teatro Pilipinas. We're very proud kay ang iya talento bilang Ilonggo ginpakigbahin niya gid sa short film nga Katagman. Kag ini ginakilala na subong sa bilog nga kalibutan. Let's talk more about the message of this short film. Kaupod si Direk Ramon Teñoso. Mayong aga, Direk Ramon. Welcome sa GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Good morning, Kate, and I'm so excited and I'm honored to be in your program today. Mayong aga sa tanan.
Please tell us your roots, anay, dari sa Iloilo, kag ano subong ang ginakasakuan mo dira?
Roots ko, my mother is from Guimaras, mga Hiraldoys. And then my father is from Batuan, Ilawod, Oton. Currently, I am writing a new play called Seven Angels.
Congratulations kay ginkilala sa madamo na nga international film festivals ang short film nga Katagman. Ano ang feeling direct nga ang kasaysayan sa banwa sang Oton ginakilala na sa bilog nga kalibutan?
How does it feel? I'm still in cloud nine, to be honest. Alam mo, very humbling bala. This film actually about us, no, about the Ilonggos, about the Ogtonganon. I'm really honored that the film industry internationally has selected our film and also has given us 5 major awards at the moment. Imagine, from Best Director, Best Short Film, Best Production Design, Best Soundtrack, and the awards came from International Film Festival.
Subong nga aga hatagan ta sang idea ang mga kapuso viewers ta sang kaundan sang sininga short film. Kadto tauna sa conceptualization, ano ang inspirasyon sa likod sini Direk?
It is not planned, no? Hindi gid ako nagplano nga gawin itong film. Hindi Actually, nag-uli ako last December kasi my aunt died. During my stay there, I was given the chance to give a workshop. Na-meet ko yung chairman ng Oton visual artist, si Steve Magbanwa. And he asked me, Direk, baka naman pwedeng gawin mo yung project ng Katagman. And sabi niya kasi due to COVID, walang yung festival ba? So merong small project. At this time, it's a film. The next day, sabi ko, sige, yes. Alam mo siguro talagang God works in mysterious way, no? When you don't plan things, it just things happen. Oton was founded in 1572 and is considered the oldest pueblo in Panay Island. So the movie covers the pre-colonial Spanish time. Then it went to the 1900s. The film is actually a rich, colorful film showcasing the history of Oton through music, dance, arts, and theater performance. And then it also have various folk dances and modern dance. And the best part of it is a film written, directed, performed, and filmed in Oton by Ogtonganon themselves.
Ano nga bahin sang kasaysayan sang banwa sang Oton ang sarang makit-an sa short film Direk kag paano inigin interpret kag showcase sa pelikula?
Well, to begin with, just want to let everyone know that 90% of the cast walang background sa theater or sa filming. Sabi nila sa akin, oh, direct, casting tayo. I know in my mind who will do the roles and the music and the costume. Kasi I work with them or I met them through the workshops na I had give. So it was just very informal invitation to the people who attended my workshop. And it went really well, and the people are very, very supportive.
This time will give you time to thank the whole production team, the casts, and those who supported you from the start.
I'd like to thank yung talented co-director, si Peter Diocos, and then yung production design namin and musical director, si Steve Magbanwa, our head choreographer and performer, Ramil Fernandez, our very creative cinematographer and director of photography, si Dil Rafael Tolentino, costume manager and performer, Norman Palanyo, our head musical director, Romeo Tumulto. Above all, of course, thank you to God, to Jesus and Mama Mary, no, for all the support and the talent, no, that they gave me.
Salamat! And again, congratulations, Direk Ramon Teñoso. Bugal kagid sang Iloilo, kag sang aton pungsod. See you soon here!
Thank you very much too, and thank you, Kate, for this opportunity. Thank you, Kapuso, GMA Regional TV, early edition for this.
Duga nga impormasyon kag good vibes sa pagbalik sang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.